A single pendulum is the most predictable thing in the world. It swings back and forth, tick-tock like a clock, because that's literally what we built clocks out of for centuries. Now take that pendulum and attach a second rod to the bottom of it, just one more rod. And this calm, dependable little machine turns into one of the most chaotic systems in all of physics. Same gravity, same simple parts. But now, if I let it go, nobody on Earth can tell you where it'll be 30 seconds from now. And here's what makes that so strange. There is nothing random going on here. 2 rods, 2 joints, and gravity pulling straight down. That's it. Newton's laws describe this thing completely. If you tell me the exact starting angles and speeds, the equations spit out the entire future, in principle, forever. It is 100% deterministic. No dice, no noise, no hidden magic. Every single wiggle is fixed by the laws of motion, so it should be predictable, right? Well, watch what actually happens. The lower rod whips around, flips clean over the top, stalls, reverses, and goes flying off again in a pattern that never settles and never repeats. Trace the very tip, and you get this wild, tangled scribble that fills the whole space. And remember, this isn't a glitch, and nothing is pushing it from outside. This is just 2 rods, obeying gravity. The motion is completely determined and completely impossible to follow. Now let me show you the heart of it. I'll start 2 of these double pendulums at the very same moment, side by side, released from almost exactly the same angle. The difference between them is tiny, far smaller than you could ever measure in real life. For the first second or 2, they move as one, perfectly in sync. Then they begin to drift. And then they completely diverge, swinging in totally different directions as if they had never been related at all. That's the butterfly effect, happening right in front of you. And this is the part that breaks people's brains. Deterministic does not mean predictable. The equations are exact and we know them perfectly. But chaos takes any uncertainty in your starting point, even out in the millionth decimal place, and doubles it again and again, exponentially fast. Within a few seconds, that error has grown until it swallows the whole system. To predict this pendulum just 1 minute out, you'd need to know its starting state to an impossible, infinite precision. The math is flawless, the prediction is hopeless. So that's round 24. Math hands us the exact equations for 2 rods and a little gravity, and then, in the same breath, proves we can never actually use them to see the future. Brain, 0. Math, 23. And round 24? Math takes it again, the same brutal way as last time, by writing down the perfect answer and showing that it's useless. 2 rods, total chaos. Subscribe, the streak is only getting wilder.